Today, we're introducing a major new e-learning capability in Arlo. SCORM import hosting and delivery is now here. Upload, manage, and deliver SCORM content alongside your instructor-led, virtual, blended, and self-paced training, all from one platform in Arlo. In this video, I'll give you a high-level walkthrough of the feature so you can see it in action. Let's get started. Awesome. Let's start by looking at how SCORM content is reviewed and published in Arlo. To get there, we need to head up to the menu and select e-learning content from the e-learning menu dropdown. Once we click that, we'll be transported into the e-learning content library where everything created or imported lives for you to manage easily. If I click create new content, you'll see a handful of options for the creation of e-learning using our authoring add-on, as well as the new option to upload SCORM files. You've got heaps of flexibility here about what you upload. SCORM packages, AICC, XAPI, CMI5, PDFs, video, and also audio files as well. Today, I'll be using a SCORM package that I've prepared. Once I click upload, all I have to do is either drag and drop or select the SCORM package from my computer to upload it into Arlo ready for use. Once uploaded, we'll process the package for you and get it ready in a matter of minutes. If I click view, I can see the status of the package. Once it's all processed, we'll send you a handy notification on the top right, which you can click to then access the content when it's all ready to roll in your content library. In the management area, you can see at a glance where the content is being used, its version history, as well as the ability to preview content, rename it, update it, or delete it as well. I'll quickly preview the SCORM package now, just to quickly show you the module that I just uploaded in action. It's always good to confirm my training loads and functions as expected. If I make any changes to this content as well, we've got built-in versioning, which I'll show you just in a moment. So here's me accessing the content, and I'm just going to jump down and go to the first module and access the content as a learner. Keeping your content fresh and updated is always a good idea. If you've got a new version of SCORM ready to use, we've added in built-in versioning that makes it super simple to update content and decide who is able to access the current version. You can see details about each version and then define when and how your registrants will get access to the latest update. Once you're happy with the upload, we can publish the content with a click, ready to be used in your training programs, which I'll do now. Just click close and then publish content and we're good to go. One other thing to note here is that a few new options appear once you've published, allowing you to archive the content if it's not needed anymore, or revert it back to a draft, which I'll just show you quickly. So I'm going to click into my SCORM content here, and you can see two new options at the top. We can now archive, or we can revert it to a draft if you would like. Easy peasy. With Arlo, connecting SCORM content to training delivery is super easy. Let's jump into an already scheduled instructor-led in-person course and add our newly imported SCORM to create the ultimate blended experience for our learners. I click the courses drop down and I'll click into this advanced first aid techniques course. All my course details are here. To add my SCORM, I just need to click edit and then head over to the schedule tab on the left-hand side, which you'll see in a second here. So on the left-hand side, you can see schedule, and we can see we've already got some SCORM content in. I'm going to delete this for now, and then I'm going to re-upload it just to show you the full workflow. So I just select my SCORM package unconscious bias from the drop-down of published content, and then I click continue. Arlo also has baked-in availability features, giving you flexibility about when this content is available to your learners and when it's advised to be completed by, giving you full control over when learners can access each module. So I'm going to set up some dates here, and we'll see that in a second when we look at the learner's view. Published SCORM modules can be added to courses alongside instructor-led sessions, virtual classes, or sell it as standalone e-learning. Once added, I just hit save and close, and your SCORM will now be available for all your learners. As easy as that. From the learner's perspective, everything happens in one place. When we added our SCORM package earlier, Arlo automatically notified all of my registrants on that course that there's new content available with a branded email direct to their inbox. I'll act as a learner now and jump into a brandable customer portal and get the full learner experience of accessing SCORM in Arlo. Learners log in once, open their course, and launch content directly from the e-learning tab. They can see progress and when content becomes available if you've set that up. I'll click view here and hop into the SCORM. When they're taking the content, all their progress saves automatically. Learners can also pause and resume at any time on any device. There's no extra platforms or logins, just a consistent experience from registration through to completion. SCORM content changes over time, and Arlo is built to handle that. As I touched on earlier, each SCORM module supports versioning, allowing you to upload updates while controlling how existing learners are handled. Let's go through a new version now to show you that experience. You can keep learners on their original version, move only incomplete learners to the latest version, or roll everyone onto updated content, depending on what's appropriate for the time and for your business. All I have to do is choose my option, upload my new SCORM package, and we'll get to work processing it for you behind the scenes. On screen, I'm just going to drag and drop my unconscious bias SCORM package in, upload it just like we did before, and that's going to upload a new version. You'll also, again, get a handy notification when it's ready for use in the top right corner. Arlo makes it really easy to correct errors, refresh content, or release new versions without disrupting delivery. That's SCORM and Arlo. Import existing SCORM content, deliver it alongside live training, track learner progress in detail, and manage everything from one platform without redevelopment or extra systems. To learn more or see how SCORM fits into your training operation, book a demo with our expert team today. Happy training!